Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. I want to welcome all the new subscribers on board, and I want to thank all those people who've been with me since day one. Today we are cooking beef kidneys. This is how they look like. I'm going to be showing you this recipe. It's very simple to make. You can make it any time of the day. You can make it with your kids. And by the way, beef kidneys are very, very healthy.
Although most of us rarely eat organ meats, they are actually packed with important vitamins and minerals that have a very huge impact on our health. Organ meats are far higher in nutrients than muscle meats that we always love to eat. They contain vitamin D3, vitamin B12. These vitamins play a key role in supporting our immune system, which is hard to get through other foods. If you're not taking vitamin D supplements and you spend most of your time indoors in the house, it's likely that you're deficient. That's why you should take organ meats, because they have a very high concentration of vitamin D3. Actually, these organs, they include liver, they include kidney, the heart, the tongue, and they also have vitamin B12, which helps to convert food into glucose for energy. It also supports the memory and the nerve to function. Actually, doctors normally recommend these organs to pregnant women because they have folate, so they are very, very good for pregnant women and of course the unborn child. So I'm going to be using the simplest ingredients that you have in your home or that you have in your garden. As you saw me trying to harvest some rosemary, I have a spice garden at home. I actually have a video about it. I'll put the link down below. It's very easy to grow these spices. What you need is just direct sunlight, enough water, and manure. You can use animal feeds, but you don't have to use pesticides because you're trying to grow them organically at your home. You can use flower pots to grow your spices and herbs, or you can use old buckets just in case you didn't buy like pots. What you do with the old buckets, you just put holes down below and then you put soil. Make sure you get a very good soil type, which is good for plants to grow, and then you plant your seedlings or your seeds. You can get the seedlings from florists, or in case any of your friends have, you can get from them. And in case anyone wants to get from me, it's very, very okay. I have so many seedlings of rosemary and so many seedlings of coriander, so please, you're welcome. Come and I give you some seedlings so that you don't have to always go out to buy what you want to buy. Just like me, I live quite far from the market, so I just have to go in my garden to get anything that I want. So back to the recipe, I first boiled the kidneys. Normally they take a very long time to cook, so I pre-boiled them. Then I'm going to fry them with the rest of the ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I used coriander, garam masala, paprika, salt, and simba. Simba is normally common in my country, so you can use any other spice that you would want, but those are the ones that I used, and it came out very nice and very tasty. For those that have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. There is a red word down below. Please press it. Hit the notification bell to be notified in case of any new videos. Like and leave your comments down below. I would advise you to cook your vegetables on medium heat because we want them to cook slowly. We don't want them to burn. We want them to come out very soft and tender before we add our kidney. And then I'm adding salt. Just add salt, that is enough. Don't put too much, and then don't put too little salt. Just put what is enough. So I've just added the garam masala, and I'm going to stir very well because you would want it to taste in every single bite of your food. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix very well and add some simba. Simba is a very good spice because it's a mixture of different spices. and then I'll add the coriander and mix very well, stir very well, and then leave them to like cook for some time before adding the kidneys. We would want every spice to incorporate together. I'm going to write down all the ingredients and everything you would need down below in the description box. Please check it out after watching the video. Everything will be down below. Thank you for watching the video. I know you will enjoy this meal. It came out very nice. It came out tasty, very delicious. Please try it out. It's healthy and delicious. Thank you for watching.